Hello class 11th. This is the video number 7 of chapter number 2, biological classification. So in the continuation of the previous video, kingdom Monera, in this video we will continue the topic kingdom Monera. So let us see some more terms, some more points, some more organism related with the kingdom Monera. See, in the kingdom Monera, the bacteria is the sole member, but beside bacteria, the archaebacteria, eubacteria and mycoplasma are the another members of the kingdom Monera. So let us see about the archaebacteria, eubacteria and mycoplasma. The archaebacteria is a special type of bacteria, and they are the very primitive bacteria. They are the ancient and earlier life form on this planet. They live in an extreme habitat. They can live in very extreme habitat while in the salty area or in the hot spring or acidic environment or marshy area. So on the basis of their extreme habitat, the archaebacteria is classified into three categories. The first one, those archaebacteria live in a salty area, they are known as halophils. Those are live in a hot spring or acidic environment, they are known as thermoacidophils. And those are live in a marshy area, they are said to be methanogens. They produce the methane gas, CH4 methane gas. So these are the three type of archaebacteria. Some archaebacteria also live in the gut of ruminant animals like cow and buffalo, and they help in the digestion of cellulose and other materials inside the gut of these ruminant. The cell wall of archaebacteria is made up by protein and non-cellulosic polysaccharide that provide the rigidity and extreme habitat capacity to the archaebacterial cell. They are known as the living fossils because they are still in nature. Now in this 21st century, these bacteria are also found and they are live in the extreme condition. They are the earliest life form also. So they are the living fossils and they absorb the solar radiation in the earlier time and nowadays. So that's why they are the living fossils. Some methanogen bacteria cell wall having the pseudomurine, which provide the strength to the cell wall that help to the resistant against the marshy area or hot spring or salty area. After that, see about the eubacteria. Eubacteria are the true bacteria. They are also known as the cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. And the study of bacteria is known as bacteriology, and the scientists who involved in the study of bacteria, they are said to be bacteriologists. So in the eubacteria and true bacteria, the cyanobacteria are generally aquatic, fresh water and marine water. They are the unicellular filamentous found in fresh water, marine water, and they cause the algal bloom condition. They spread all over the surface of water body and cause the algal bloom. So example is the nostoc and Anabaena. They also help in the nitrogen fixation and recycling of nutrient. This is the structure of nostoc having the gelatinous sheath on their body surface and heterocyst found in between their vegetative cell. These heterocysts are help in the reproduction. Then these bacteria reproduce by binary fission also. They reproduce by binary fission method. Now let us see about the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is the another category, another group of organism found in the kingdom Monera, belongs to the kingdom Monera. Mycoplasma is also known as molecules or PPL, Pleuropneumonia-like organism. They are the simplest and smallest free living organism found in this planet. They completely lack the cell wall and they are the pathogenic. The important disease caused by these mycoplasma is a little leaf disease in brinjal and pleuropneumonia in domestic animals, witch's broom in the some plants. So this is about the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is very important. It is the simplest and the smallest free living form which completely lack the cell wall, and it is a pathogenic. So this is all about the archaebacteria, eubacteria and mycoplasma, and this is all about the video number 7 and kingdom Monera. So here the kingdom Monera is completed. Now in the next video we will study about the kingdom Protista. Thank you.